Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an easy apple walnut salad, and we're also going to be making our own salad dressing from scratch. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the info box below, but you can also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. This is a very simple salad, so for this I am using baby greens combined with some baby spinach, but feel free to use your favorite lettuce for this recipe. We're also going to be using cotija cheese, which is a Mexican cheese, but you can also use blue cheese or goat cheese if that's what you have on hand. The first step is to make the dressing, so in a small container we're going to add some oil, we're also going to add lemon juice, and we're going to add Dijon mustard. Make sure it's Dijon mustard and not regular mustard. Now we're going to add maple syrup, but if you have honey, that also works as well. Then we're going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. We just cover the container, give it a good shake, and then we're going to store it in the fridge until it's time for serving. Now we're going to work on our apples. I am using a combination of green apples with Fuji apples, but you can also use Gala or even Red Delicious if that's what you have on hand. Now I'm slicing the apples only because it looks better when you serve the salad, but if you like to chop them into small pieces or larger chunks, you can do that as well. To serve the salad, I am using a medium-sized bowl, and I'm just going to toss the spinach with the baby greens, and I'm also going to add other ingredients just to make it more interesting. So for this salad, I am using dried cranberries, but you can also use blueberries or fresh fruit like strawberries or raspberries if that's what you like. Now I'm adding the walnuts. You can also toast them in the oven. You can also use candied walnuts or almonds if that's what you prefer. And now we're going to crumble the cheese on top. And like I said, you can also use blue cheese or goat cheese. On top of the salad, we're going to add our apples. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. And then right before serving, we're going to add our salad dressing. And that's your recipe for making an easy and delicious apple walnut salad. If you enjoyed this recipe and this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on social media. And if you want to check out more recipes, you can visit sweetysalado.com/en.